Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julianna for those of you who are new, and for those of you who are returning, look at this look I just created. For today's video, I was reminded that it is prom season. Prom is here. Since prom season is upon us, I wanted to create a very timeless makeup look for you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned. And yeah, let's just get right to the tutorial. I am so excited for you guys to see this. So first off, I am taking the MAC Painterly paint pot, and I'm just going to be applying this as my base for my eyes. For this prom look, I want to make sure that, you know, my eye makeup stays on the eye and the pigment stays throughout the night. All of the products I'm going to show you are like my literal go-to products that I use again and again, because I know that it's gonna work. I am taking my Naked palette. So this is my go-to palette. So to set that primer that I just put on my face, I'm going to just take the color Virgin. I'm just going to be applying that all over the lid. It's kind of like a base coat and to set, you know, the powder or the primer that I put on my eye. I'm going to start warming up the crease with my MAC 224 Big Blending eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take the color Buck, and this is just going to warm up the crease a little bit. I'm going to focus that on the crease area only, and you're going to blend upward in an upward motion. And it doesn't have to be precise. Now I'm going to take the color Smog, this one right here. This is a little bit more of a darker brown. I'm just taking my MAC 217 crease brush. This is a little bit thinner. So I'm going to take that color Smog, and I'm only focusing it on the crease, but this time I'm going to be a little more precise. You're going to put the shade right here, and then I'm going to stop towards the middle, and you're going to blend that out. And then what I like to do is take it into a V shape. I'm going to bring it down right here. And it's okay to be very messy towards the outer, because we'll just clean it up with a makeup wipe. This whole look is just about the blend and the glow, so I'm going to take the crease brush again, the big fluffy one, and I'm just going to diffuse those two colors together. I'm going to take the next darker brown shade, and it's called Dark Horse. This is a deeper brown, and I'm going to specifically focus on the outer V of my eye, and then once that V is laid out, then I just blend it out into the crease like so. Now I'm going to go back in with the brush again and blend your worries away. Now I'm going to use the Half Baked. I'm only going to put it towards the front half of my eye, and that's why I focus all the darker shades in the crease and kept it on the outside, because I really want the gold to be able to pop in the more the center of my eye, and that's really going to make your eyes pop. I'm taking the Urban Decay pigment eyeshadow pigment and Stargazer, and it's a little shattered, so this is a more of a bam in your face gold color. And I'm going to take my finger and really get the pigment there. And I'm going to place that where I put the other gold. And one last time, I'm going to go in and blend that, not so much, but just blend, make sure all the colors are one. I took a makeup wipe, I cleaned up the edges a little bit. The liner I wanted to use is the NYX gel liner in Jet Black. Now this gel liner, I feel like it's something that is for sure going to last throughout the whole night. So I'm going to take this, I got this from Tarte. It's a little like very thin liner brush. The lashes I'm using, like always, Ardell Wispies. Love these. These are definitely, any Ardell lashes are perfect for prom. They're cheap, they're durable, and they'll definitely last you throughout the night. I'm gonna go pop them on real quick and then we can go ahead and move on with the look. Lashes are on. I already put mascara to diffuse the lashes. I'm going to tight line, which is, I'm just using the Catrice black eye pencil, and I'm just gonna go right here. It's time to start the face, finally. So you want to ensure that your foundation is going to be staying on all night, and since it is prom, you're gonna be taking pictures, you really want a full coverage foundation. And again, I am going to be taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. First off, because it's great for photos, you're not going to have any sort of flashback, and your skin is going to be left looking absolutely flawless. For the best application, I'm going to a sponge. I always use a sponge, but just to get that more flawless look, I would recommend a sponge. Make sure you always blend down the neck. It's not cute when you have a little foundation line. I'm moving on to concealer, and I'm going to be concealing my under eyes and the middle, like the bridge of my nose, my forehead. I don't want something too crazy. It's very, very important to be using a concealer that is like at least a shade or two lighter than your foundation, but not white, because that will create flashback. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. I'm going to be baking with my Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent. Now I'm going to be baking under my under eyes, along the sides of my nose, and then my chin. Oh, and my smile lines. Those are like the areas that tend to crease up a little bit more than others, but then I'm going to be going in with the powder puff just to dab it a little more, just so that it ensures that my foundation is going to stay on. I just want it to be matte because I tend to get a little oily, especially when I start sweating, and your girl sweats a lot. I waited for about 5 minutes now. Once those 5 minutes are up, I'm going to be dusting away that bake. I'm going to make sure to really make sure that foundation is seeped into the skin and, you know, stays on my face. So I'm going in with my setting spray, and I'm really going to drown myself in it. Okay. I highly, highly recommend you go in with a fan or whatever to just instantly dry that, because that's really going to ensure that your makeup is locked in. Okay, so I quickly just put on my brows. I'm going to set them real quick with the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. The brows are something that in my case will never change. Like, my routine will stay the same. I'm taking my Smashbox palette. It's the Sculpting Cheek palette, and I'm taking I'm going to mix these two shades right here, these two bronze shades. You always start from the back here, and then you work your way, like halfway in the cheek area, and then you blend up. And then we bring it up to the forehead and below the jawline. I am going to go in with some more Bake just to clean up this bottom half right here because I don't want it to look muddy. I'm going to go in with that sponge again, get some powder in there, and I'm going to draw a line from like the bottom of my ear all the way down. Oh, that was so satisfying. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a little bit, and while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on my face. So the thing with the blush is I want to bring life back to my face, but I don't want to look like a clown. So I thought this blush would be perfect for that look, and this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. So that's the key, it's gonna stay on. And it's called Party. It's like a very neutral, you know, pink. Look how pretty that is. It's just like a light dust of pink on the cheeks. I'm gonna go and wipe away this Bake, and you're gonna see how much it cleans up the contour. So look at that. It looks so put together, like you spent hours just being so precise when really all you did was just clean it up. The power of baking, am I right? I'm right. Now for my most favorite part, I am putting on highlighter. Does it surprise you that I picked this? No. I told you these are products that are my go-to products and I know we're gonna work, so this is gonna work, and therefore I'm gonna use it. I'm going in with Prosecco Pop right here. This is more of a gold highlighter, and that's exactly what I'm trying to go for. So start off with the nose. Look at that. I'm ready for the dance floor. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use some Mauve, and I'm going to dust that under the lash line. I'm going to keep it right here in the middle and blend it outward. I'm not going to bring it in because that's going to close off the eye, which is not what we want. For the inner corner, I'm going to take the gold shade from the Urban Decay. I'm going to pack that on the inner corner of my eye. And the last step is to finish off with bottom mascara. To make it a little bit more sultry, I'm going to add the same thing I tight lined my eye with. I'm just going to waterline it, but I'm only gonna do it halfway. I'm gonna line my lips with the Kylie lip liner in True Brown K. I'm going to be using MAC in Viva Glam, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer part of the lip. And then for the center part of my lip, I'm going in with the NYX matte lipstick in Eden. This is a bright red. And I'm only using matte because matte I know is going to last the whole night. I'm going to go ahead and fix up this hair a little bit. I don't know, I'll see what I come up with, but yeah, I'll come back for the outro. But this look is a look. This is my go-to glam look for sure. I hope you guys love this look. Honestly, I really hope you guys loved it. I'll be coming back with a lot more looks, but this is so far one of my most favorite ones. So if you loved it as much as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys very soon. So yeah, if prom is coming up, then have so much fun, and I'll talk to you guys next time.